It's the Army's 250th birthday. What is a great way to celebrate? A festival, of course. Join me as the grassy expanse of the National Mall transforms into an elaborate display of all things Army. Here we will find a myriad of vehicles and equipment, many of which are hands-on to the public. We will see interactive activity stations as well as plenty of soldiers assisting participants. And let's not forget about the live music and formal ceremonies performed at the stage in the center. Basic training starts now.
Oh, park police.
We got one more for y'all. This song right here at the end of time 30 on Country Radio. Thank y'all to all the radio people out there. Thank y'all for requesting this song.
Are you gonna get it? Just sit in the
Bunch of freebies here. So here they have a whole stage set up, and they've been playing country music here. And right now is a bit of a break, which makes it easier for me to talk while filming.
Yeah.